I use this tool called Seesaw in my Spanish classes for my students to practice vocabulary. I love it because whenever I create assignments and post them to Seesaw, I can find these assignments and all of the accomplished work that my students have created through these little calendars. So I can see what, for example, the month of May, on Monday I signed an assignment, and if I click on this date here, all of the 35 items that my students created comes up. So for example, if I want to see Brooke Jenkins creations, I can see, for example, she created a picture here and then a sentence to go along with it to practice the new vocabulary that we were learning that week. So she put el peatón tiene que caminar una cuadra. So the pedestrian has to walk a block. So the peatón and cuadra were two new nouns, and then tiene que was a phrase we were learning, a set phrase, and caminar was the verb from that week. So she did a great job putting all of the vocabulary together in a sentence. She also created a picture to go along with all of the vocabulary. Here's your pedestrian, here's the pedestrian going along the road, and walking a block. Also, she recorded her voice.
El peatón tiene que caminar una cuadra.
Right, so I have my students create these little picture dictionaries to help them practice the vocabulary in context, associate it with an image in their mind, practice the pronunciation by recording their voice, then posting it for the class to view. And the class can, for example, they can like it, they can love it, they can make comments on it. Your sentences are always so awesome. Love the use of varied vocabulary in context. I'm going to post it. So you can have other students comment on each other's work as well. Now I can also go back and actually edit this piece of work if I wanted to, for example, and I can show you the different tools that the students have available to them to create pictures. So I'm going to do edit item so you can see these different tools. For example, the students can start by drawing, right? They click on this and they get a bunch of different paint tools and sizes and fonts and all these different tools come up for drawing for them to create these and paint these little drawings. This label for text, when you click on it, enables you to type in text anywhere in the picture. Finally, the audio, I have them record their voice by using this one right here. This one, I'm not actually sure what it does. Let's see. Okay, you can edit the caption. I think you can create little comments on the side of it, on the side of the picture. Okay, so that's the basic gist of it for what the students see when they're creating a picture. So students can, if I want to see what all of my students have created in a specific class, I can go down and a list of their names appears here, and I can click on anybody's name and see what they've created in a glance. Also, I like how if you click on this option right here, you can basically scroll down as a student and or as a teacher and just kind of browse what other students have created. And you can take time to like and or to comment and so forth. So it's a pretty fun little tool. You can create some classroom community. Students like to use the digital tools, draw, practice pronunciation, but this tool can be adapted and used to basically any subject content of your choice. It doesn't have to be a language. The sky's the limit, and your imagination, you can go as far as your imagination will let you. So that is my little tutorial for you for today.